In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a page in Canva. Sometimes when you're working on a project in Canva, you might find that a page is locked, and this can prevent you from making the changes you need. Unlocking a page is a simple process, and I'm going to walk you through it step by step so you can get back to designing without any hassle. Let's get started by opening up your Canva project. Once you're in your design, you'll need to look for the grid icon. This icon is usually located at the bottom of your screen and resembles a square grid. Clicking on this icon will bring up an overview of all your pages within the design. This is a useful tool, especially if you're working with multiple pages, as it gives you a clear view of the entire project. Now, with the grid view open, you'll want to identify which page is locked. Canva aids this by displaying a small lock icon at the bottom of any page that is locked. This visual cue is handy because it immediately tells you which pages cannot be edited. Once you have located the locked page, it's time to proceed to the next step. With your cursor over the locked page, perform a right click. This action will open a context menu directly related to that specific page. In this menu, you'll see various options, but the one we're interested in today is Unlock Page. The menu is straightforward, so finding this option shouldn't be too difficult. Click on Unlock Page, and just like that, the page is now free for you to edit. No more restrictions. You can go ahead and make any necessary changes to your design. This simple yet effective process is all it takes to unlock a page in Canva, saving you time and effort in your design journey. To wrap things up, remember that unlocking a page is a breeze with just a few clicks in Canva. By accessing the grid view, identifying the locked page, and using the right-click menu, you can ensure your project flows smoothly. This can be incredibly useful when collaborating with team members or when going back to older projects that might have certain pages locked by default. Thank you for watching this tutorial on how to unlock a page in Canva. I hope you found it helpful and that it makes your design process smoother. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment. Happy designing.